So we're starting the inequalities section of chapter 3 now. Having dealt with the equations on equations and inequalities, we're on to the inequalities. And we start with linear inequalities, and really this is GCSE stuff. I don't think there's anything we need to recap in great detail here. You might want to nip back to your GCSE notes if there's anything that is confusing you. Just a quick reminder, if you've got an equation like this that is a linear inequality, pretend that that symbol there is an equal sign and deal with it with the normal balance method. But any time that you times and divide both sides by a negative number, flip the symbol round. Okay, so here we simplify the right hand side, so that's straightforward. From here to here, we're adding 15 on both sides. That's adding, and we don't have to do anything to the symbol, so it stays the same. Then we're also adding on 2x onto both sides, so we don't have to do anything. There's no times and dividing going on. The only times we times and divide is this bit here, where we're dividing by 5 on both sides, and we don't have to flip the symbol because 5 is a positive number. If we were dividing by -5 on both sides, we would flip the symbol around. Be aware of putting these on a number line. The convention is you don't colour the circle in if it is an exclusive inequality, that is a greater than or a less than. You do colour the circle in if it's an inclusive inequality, that's a less than or equal to, or a greater than or equal to. I don't think there's a great deal else to say. I suppose the thing is, if there are two parts of the number line covered, you need two separate inequalities. So x is less than or equal to 1 or greater than 3, two separate inequalities. If you had something like this, where the part of the number line you wanted was, I don't know, from 1 to 3, then you could say x is between 1 and 3, including 1 but not including 3. And because it's only one part of the number line, you can do it in one inequality. Two parts of the number line, two inequalities. One part of the number line, one inequality. So that's like part A and part B here. But really, exercise 3D is just warming us up for section 3.5. So quick, short video there, and we'll carry on with the quadratic inequalities in the next one.